Hello, this is the introductory presentation of a series of presentations on guideline development. My name is Liset Pengel and I'll be giving the presentations together with my colleagues Simon Knight and John O'Callaghan. Guideline development should follow a rigorous methodology, and following a rigorous methodology should facilitate successful implementation of the resulting recommendations. And to address the variability of quality of guidelines, the International AGREE enterprise was initiated, and the enterprise developed the AGREE instrument. And the AGREE instrument can be used to assess the quality of guidelines, provide a methodological strategy for the development of guidelines, and inform what information and how information should be reported in guidelines. We conducted a systematic review where we looked at the methodological quality of practice guidelines in kidney transplantation. For this, we used the AGREE instrument, which consists of 23 items that are organized into 6 domains. And we assessed how well each of the items were addressed by the guideline. What we found was that the quality of guidelines varied widely, and that there is great variability on how well each domain scored both within and across guidelines. In the recorded presentations, we will tell you about the scope and framing the question, stakeholder engagement, searching the literature, risk of bias and how to grade the evidence, formulating and presenting recommendations, and implementations and applicability.